How long have you been employed at this company?
I've been employed for the past 18 months in Meena Health. I started as a Deputy Chief Medical Officer, and with the careful presence of Dr. Soleiman I, Towyan, I've been appointed as the Director for Population Health Management.
Working as a Chief Medical Officer at Meena for the last 1 year.
I have privilege and good experience with him, I think, before than 2013.
I have been in Meena for about 1 year.
I recently worked with Meena company, but with Dr. Soleiman I since 2009.
Briefly describe your experience working with your CEO.
Working with Dr. Soleiman I is a totally enriching experience. His visionary approach, his openness to innovation and consistent trust not only influences my trajectory as emerging leader, but also have been elevated the standards of excellence in our organization.
He has been inspiring and empowering. He leads with clarity and strategic foresight, and his leadership style actually one of the rarest style, because he balanced between operational rigors and human-centered care.
I consider myself fortunate as I have the opportunity to work with Dr. Soleiman twice in my career. The first time it was at Habib Medical Group for about 5 years, and now again at Meena Health.
My experience has been spanking. The CEO has clear visions, and also he stays closely to the teams, leading by the examples. Usually the CEO, when there is issues, he said, "Don't tell me about the issues, tell me when you fix it."
Why do you think your CEO deserves the title of CEO of the Year?
Well, I can be easily biased for Dr. Soleiman I as a CEO of the Year. Yet he has demonstrated a consistent, bold, forward-thinking leadership emerging between business growth and excellence in work, and that was shown by transformational steps in the development of the population health management system, the home health care systems and people and processes, and digital transformational from infrastructure to frontline development as well. That was executed with precision, and it shows that the environment is fostered by encouragement, and the accountability is celebrated for all the leaders and the stakeholders involved for this transformation. And I think this is a distinguished feature I've seen with Dr. Soleiman Towyan presence.
Dr. Towyan is not only a seasoned healthcare executive, he is truly a transformational leader. Transformed what primary care looks like today into more integrated and tech-enabled clinic that will serve a bigger portion of the population, as well as deliver the vision of 2030. So, in summary, his ability to deliver with vision and deliver measurable outcome at the same time is what sets him apart.
I think it is very difficult to keep all this success in the same time and for all these years. And our CEO, Dr. Soleiman I, I think he deserves to be the CEO for this year.
I believe Dr. Soleiman deserves this recognition for his exceptional leadership. He is a visionary leader with a strategic thinking, and he is committed to support everyone around him from his team. So my belief, he's truly deserved to be the leader.
Because he combined the strongest leadership with genuine care and look after of the employees. Also, he's achieving results, a great result, while maintaining the positive works environment.
Provide specific examples of how your CEO has demonstrated exceptional leadership within the company.
Well, For this, I can be very specific in focusing on 3 different things. The first is seeing the chaotic data distribution among all the departments and looking for a unification and standardization of our population and establishment the population health management data system, as well as the home health care system that improve the processes and helps the front line to perform better. The third thing, that establishing the RRT department and as well as the function of the company. This was very transformational.
One clear example of our CEO accomplishment is transforming the Meena Health primary care from a traditional clinic to deliver the care to patient houses, to patient workplaces through occupational medicine, through a digital line and telemedicine, as well as establishing a Meena command center that enabled us to monitor our patient in a remote live monitoring system, as well as manage our home health care fleet from this command center and respond in an efficient and quick way through the rapid response team to any urgent or emergent cases that will add on through the day.
Dr. Soleiman, he keep the close communication with all the employees, from the junior staff until the senior, the leaders. And this will make everything, all the windows it's open to discuss everything is together every time.
There are a lot of examples. He successfully led Meena in building a strong foundation and rapid expansion of the company with operational excellence. He also built a culture of data-driven decisions. In addition to that, his leadership follows transparency and collaboration with the other teamwork.
During a major system change, the CEO leading the team with the stabilities and transparency, helping us overcome the challenge successfully.
How has your CEO inspired and motivated you and your colleagues to give your best?
We are lucky to have Dr. Soleiman, and he really leads by example. For us as leaders, he inspires us every day by the celebration and recognition for those who do the best work, the consistency in their work, and discipline as well.
Dr. Towyan fostered a culture of ownership. He empowered the leaders to take initiative, challenge the status, and think outside the box. His trust in the team, as well as combined with high expectations and support, motivate us not only to meet the goal, but to exceed them with purpose.
Every day, he supports us and administrates all the employees with the positive vibes. And that will make us, it's like the new day, and we started from the beginning and to continue with the strong power.
Dr. Soleiman leads by example. So he trusts and fosters a culture of accountability. When a leader trusts his team, this inspires us to go above and beyond.
By involving us in the big pictures, recognizing team efforts, creating motivations and a sense of belonging. And he gives us a full authority that make us to be able to do our job more efficiently.
How does your CEO contribute to a positive work environment at the company?
Well, our CEO has built a culture rooted in trust and transparency. He listens and he recognizes and supports each idea from any team member, and that's really showing the amount of motivation and the support for the leader to the team members. We know the goal. He always speaks the aim and the goals that he wants to achieve for us and for Meena from a personal level, before even the company goal. And that's what supports and makes Meena growth in a very fast pace.
Dr. Towyan fostered a culture of ownership. He empowered the team to take initiative, challenge the status, and think outside the box. His trust in the team combined with high expectations and support motivate us not only to meet the goals, is actually to exceed the goals with purpose.
Dr. Soleiman, our CEO, he's like the father with us. He's make all the employees like the family. When we have anything it's new or challenge, he make us as like the group to discuss all this success, and because that he give us like this vibes or environment to make everything it's easy.
Dr. Soleiman follows a part of effort recognition. So he recognized people for their dedication, which spread motivation environment everywhere. In addition to that, he is transparent and drive with accountability. So all this create positive environment in our company.
He promotes open communications, encourage development, taking care about the work environment and teamwork, and he always go around between the employee office, meet them there in their office, taking care, ask them for any help or support. Also, he changed his office to be open space.
Describe a situation where your CEO provided you with support or mentorship.
Well, during a major transformation in the clinical operation and adding the team-based care as the first in the private sector, he gave me a direct access. He trusted my judgment, supported me, and as well, he challenged me to think strategically better. This not only supported the transformation to be successful, yet for me personally, it develops my strategic thinking from clinical operator to a strategic leader.
During a critical time of Meena expansion, I was tasked with leading several and concurrent initiatives and departments. Dr. Towyan did not only provide support and strategic guidance, but more of a personal mentorship. He offers space for reflection, constructive challenges, and professional growth. His feedback was always thoughtful, and his support is unwavering.
Since 2014, Dr. Soleiman, he was behind me all the time to take good experience, not only in the medical service. He supported me to take this experience in the quality. And he was push me to take the good experience about the quality and everything to make my experience in good inside the medical field.
There are a lot of examples. One of them that when I was assigned as an operational excellence and under his leadership, he empowered me to define and establish this new department through his experience, advice, and guidance.
It's very difficult to mention one situation. The CEO always, he's very supportive, and he guides us whenever we need.
Share an anecdote that illustrates your CEO as a good person and leader.
I remember before, or in the past 2 months, we've been on a couple of weeks that was very hard and full of workload. During that time, he did not push harder. He actually called for a gathering outside, and it was inspirational and as well motivational visit as well. We've seen the transformation of Dir'iyah from the unified kingdom story until the time or the shine of Saudi Arabia with the leadership of the custodian of the two holy mosques, King Salman, and the Crown Prince Prince Mohammed bin Salman and his vision in 2030. We've seen how things get grow, improved and shine, and only by the commitment and the passion by the people.
In Meena, we had an incident where one of our colleagues had a personal health crisis. Dr. Towyan responded not only as a leader, but more like of a compassionate human being, making sure that this candidate received the best care and emotional support they deserve. This reminded us that a great leader is not only about driving results, it's more about showing up for people when it matters the most.
When we was in the health season, Dr. Soleiman I, he keep monitoring all the time to make sure all the medical staff in the safe side, and also to make sure about all the patients to take the same level of the management.
When one of our colleagues made extraordinary dedication, Dr. Soleiman, he didn't just recognize his effort by sending the general message. He actually sent him a personal invitation to have one-on-one chat, coffee chat, and recognize his effort during this time. So this action, actually, the impact of this action lasting for long. It's not about one moment feelings, and also will encourage others to do the same. So it's a motivational environment.
I remember one time when we have one of our employee had an emergency case and wants to urgent care. Our CEO, he ordered us to fully support them for any way he need. Also, it's reflect to our team that we are safe under the great person and great leader.